lots of snow. It's very chilly, but don't you know? It's another season, another reason for eating cookie.
I'm surprised we went with this. I would have gone C is for cookie, but that's good enough for me.
Well,
but that one's a good one too.
This ties in with the season, you know.
Yeah,
if you want to get in from the outdoors, this weekend there's an event going on that features some cookies and some local beer, which is a great little combination. What could be better than a cookie that's made with Colorado local beer to wash it down instead of a big glass of milk? Jason Bueller is here. How are you, Jason?
Fantastic.
Nice to have you.
From one of our favorite breweries in Denver, too. It's a great spot. Nice to be here, Jason.
The Denver Beer Company. And so you guys are involved in this. I mean, do you make the cookies with beer, or do you pair the cookies with beer?
We pair the cookies with the beer. So the beer, on our side, the beer always comes first. So we make the beer first.
I'm sorry, so the cookies are paired with the beer.
That's right. The cookies are paired with the beer, correct.
So, I mean, is this real? I mean, are there really specific beers that taste better with specific cookies?
Absolutely, this is a real thing for sure. The thing that I love about pairing food and beer is that it changes both the food and the beer in a positive way. It's great. It's fantastic to see. So that's my favorite part of pairing food and beer together.
So it's just like a wine thing. You know, a lot of people pair cheeses with wines, and you're saying it's the same but better. Because it's everyman. It's everyman.
It's not a wine thing. This is a beer thing, right?
Exactly.
This is a craft beer thing.
I'm glad I'm in between this.
This is not a wine thing where we have like one flavor, two flavors. This is craft beer. We have a lot of flavors to play with.
We've got a slate in front of us. So break down what we have here. If you don't mind, Greg and I are probably going to have a couple of tastes here.
Absolutely.
But you've got cookies and beer, and they're paired up. What do we got?
For sure. So the first pairing we've got is our Princess Yum Yum Raspberry Kolsch. And that is paired with our chocolate kicker cookie.
Are you going cookie first or beer first?
I go beer, cookie beer.
Okay. All right, there we go.
You know, then you get 2 shots of beer with it.
Beer.
I like it. I like your style.
Right. So the thing I love about this pairing is you've got this raspberry Kolsch. It's got this nice fruitiness to it. And when you get that chocolate in there, that chocolate melding with the raspberries is fantastic. So that's my favorite part of this pairing.
And you probably tried this like 15 million times. I see you ready to go. Do you really need to try it again?
I think we probably should, don't you think?
I'll tell you what, too. The thing that I like about your Princess Yum Yum is a lot of I can't believe I'm saying that, but a lot of have like cloying sweetness, you know, where you drink this and you're like, I can't have any more of this beer, or I can only have a half of one. This is like you can drink a full beer or a couple of these because it doesn't go over the top.
Right, absolutely. I mean, we take our raspberries, we use real raspberries, and we ferment them out. So that's something that's a little bit different than some of those sweeter, fruitier beers are not fermented. So we actually ferment the raspberries out. We still get that flavor, but it's a nice dry beer.
Gets rid of some of the sugar and converts it into alcohol. So.
Well, and you're one of the guys that makes the beer there at Denver Beer Company. I don't think people realize how much of a science there is that goes behind this.
There's definitely a little bit of a science that goes into it. You know, in the craft beer world, we're part art, part science. For sure.
We're never gonna have time to get through these if we talk beer.
We could talk all day.
So number 2, what do we got?
Number 2, we've got our Pretzel Assassin. That's our amber lager, and we've got that paired with a salty turtle cookie. So the thing I love about this pairing is that the bitterness of that amber lager, which is a light bitterness, really plays with the caramel in this cookie and kind of melds that down a little bit.
Cookie's good, the beer's good.
The cookie is delicious. The beer, I was telling everybody during the break, this is my regular when I come in, the Pretzel Assassin, because it's cool to say.
Does that surprise you that Greg has a regular?
Yeah, it's true, actually.
Okay, so we can't go through them all. If you could pick out one more.
The one that we definitely want to pick is our pairing number 4, which is our 4 Sheets Belgian Quad. So this is our newest product. This is a Belgian Quad. It's a big, bold beer.
11% alcohol.
11% alcohol. It's a big beer.
I don't even want the cookie.
You're definitely going to want to drink the whole sample of this one.
I don't even want the cookie
Have
after
you seen our show? It doesn't matter.
Right? But we've got that paired. We've got that paired with our ginger molasses cookie. And the ginger's got this little spicy kick that really pairs well with the fruitiness and kind of really cuts down a little bit of the sweetness of the Belgian Quad.
Do you make these cookies?
I don't make these cookies. These were made by Deb's Traveling Bakery in Centennial.
Because they're all fantastic.
They're local. Yeah, they are. They're amazing.
Well, thank you so much. The event is this weekend, right?
This weekend, Saturday and Sunday, starting at 11 until we close, all day long. We'll be doing
which location?
At the Platt Street location, at 1695 Platt Street.
All right, there you go. And till 5 o'clock, but as he said, until they close.
Wow. We'll be eating cookies and drinking beer.
One thing you don't have to worry about is the beer running out.
That's
you guys got plenty of that.
Absolutely.
It's sort of their thing. Tickets are $20. We've got more information. Go to kdvr.com and look for the Good Day section. Jason, Pleasure to have
Thanks
you
a
in,
lot,
my
man.
friend.
I'm going to finish this. There we go.
You do it.
Real quick.
Do it. Take him down.
There's not enough hands for beer, cookies, and Jason.
I'm prioritizing Jason, and I'm sorry, but you're coming in second to last here.
I don't blame